Yo, what it do? Welcome to another episode of AJ's Wrestling Review. Now, not too long ago, I put out this post here on my Instagram page simply saying, little art project for my weekend ahead. Gonna customize a few figures with these sick decals. Wish me luck. So, I have these two figures as a preview, which I will be customizing. And I thought, why not just make a follow-up video highlighting everything of which I've done. So the decals came courtesy of Stomp City Decals, and for me personally, this was my very first trip into the world of action figure customization. So I'm going to show you absolutely everything I've done. Let's get into it. Starting things off with The Rock. Now, this figure is actually the Ringside Collectibles exclusive Rock figure, which comes with the blue strap Intercontinental title belt, which you see here with the figure, and a yellow ladder. Now, I believe I've actually covered this figure in a video review on the channel here, so make sure to check that out. But if you have seen it before, you would know that I was not too favourable of this figure. There were some very odd things with it. I didn't like the tights. I didn't like how he had brown hair. So basically, I painted his hair black because, let's be honest, I don't remember The Rock ever having light brown hair at any point in his life. And then I slapped on this very subtle but incredibly unique green Rock logo right here on the tights, and I think it just stands out, looks so very cool. And here's a look at the back. You can see the Brahma ball with that green outline. Mwah! Simply amazing. Chef kiss. Love it. On to the next figure, it is John Cena. Now, once again, very subtle, but once you notice it, it definitely does stand out in my opinion. And as somebody who used to be a former sneakerhead with a good collection of sneakers, sadly no more, but used to, I can really appreciate this figure right here because the decals, they stand out like crazy. So here it is, John Cena with his official Reebok pumps. Now, prior to putting any of the decals that you see on his shoes, it was just straight up simple black base shoes with the white sole. So not really all that impressive, but with these logos, it definitely does make the shoes pop. You can see it there. It's even got the Reebok pump tongue with the little basketball, which, on the actual shoes you can pump it up. Very cool little feature. Definitely hasn't been anything quite like it, and I think to have this in action figure form is absolutely amazing. So there we go. There's John Cena. On to Stone Cold Steve Austin here. With this figure, it is the defining moments Stone Cold Steve Austin. Basically swapped out his knee braces with the knee braces of the basic 100 Stone Cold Steve Austin, and then did a bit of slight customization here on the vest. New logos all over. Absolutely love it. And then on the back, as you can see there, a whole new logo. So there, Stone Cold Steve Austin. And then also we're checking out Matt Hardy. Now, for some strange reason, this Ringside Collectibles exclusive ECW Championship Matt Hardy, he never came with the skull and crossbones logo on his shirt. It was on the packaging, but for whatever reason, we didn't get it on his shirt. So that's where you gotta step in and basically put the logo on yourself. And here it is. Very simple, very subtle, but incredibly effective. Anyway, moving on. Next up, CM Punk. Love CM Punk in this attire, and this is, I think, only one of two CM Punk figures that I actually have, and this is by far my very favorite because I love the Chicago Cubs colored inspired attire. I love the tattoo detail. Obviously he comes with the spinner belt, but what he does not have, of course, for trademark and licensing issues, is the little Pepsi tattoo there. So now he has his official Pepsi shoulder tattoo. And then on the other side here, this was the only decal which I struggled with and had to take a second attempt on, and luckily Stomp City Decals gives you two of each decal that you get, so you have two tries. This is the only one that I stuffed up on and had to do it again. This Cobra tattoo, and I mean, if you zoom in real close, you can see it looks quite rough. It was not easy, but at a distance, I think it's not too bad. Also, another little step of customization that I did to this figure is that elbow pad that he has was like almost damn near brown, yellow even. So I painted that white, and it looks brand new and fresh again. There we go, CM Punk. And now onto John Cena yet again, but this time it is his belt which is customized, because we have the official John Cena side plates on the championship belt. So as you can see there, it's got the "You Can't See Me" and then the "Hustle, Loyalty, Respect" logo on the other side. Here we go. This is a better photo right here. Check it out. Simply amazing, huh? And very easy to do. So there you go. On to Enzo Amore. How you doing? Check out the tattoos here. He has the mugshot right there, which I believe is old Blue Eyes Frank Sinatra. And then we've got him with the Hooters logo tattoo, because prior to being a professional wrestler, he was a manager at the Hooters food chain restaurant in New Jersey, where he resides. And then there's also a little Jordan logo on his shoulder there. We'll take a more close look at that right now, or maybe in the next photo. So yeah, as you can see, the tattoos on the shoulders, they can be quite rough, but once again, at a distance, it looks actually pretty good. So there we go. There is the Jordan logo there, and then also you've got Charlie Brown, and then the very final tattoo, which would be almost impossible to spot with the naked eye, is this one right here. This little love heart tattoo. As you can see, there's a bit of dried up Mod Podge right there on his arm, but nonetheless, this little love heart tattoo, which looks like it's almost like a tribute to Heartbreak Kid, Broken Heart there, with the tiger pattern inside. This is custom too, so this isn't on the original figure. So there we go. Adds that little bit of uniqueness and flair to your action figures. Moving on, we have Fly-In Brian Pillman. So now I can complete my Hollywood Blondes tag team of Stunning Steve Austin and now Fly-In Brian Pillman. So there's Brian Pillman, simple head swap from one of my Elite Brian Pillman figures onto this figure, and then basically put these decals on the back of the vest there. As you can see, it says Fly-In Brian, and then up on the front, you know, he has his initials there on the front of the vest, just as his tag team partner Stunning Steve Austin does. So there we go. That's it. That is absolutely all of the figures in which I took to customizing recently. I hope you have enjoyed this video. It is something a little bit different, but like I said, I just wanted to take you into what I'd done exactly with these figures, because I have been experimenting with customizing figures a bit more, you know, swapping torsos and popping heads on and off, and now here we are with decals. So, if you have enjoyed this video, as always guys, make sure to like. If you are not subscribed, please do so, because I will be putting out more content similar to this if you do enjoy yourself some action figures, preferably in the wrestling realm of things. So yeah, thanks very much for checking out the video guys. I hope you guys have a absolutely great day. Take care, bye bye.